I'm so hungry. I wonder what could we make? Let's make something new.
Okay.
A Taki crispy sandwich with extra spicy stuff.
Oh.
We'll be needing one of these. Oh, I forgot about the bread. Take 2 of these. We can't forget about the Takis. Oh. Can't forget about the Takis. Wait, what are we missing again? I think I need a plate. Ooh. Oh no, it's wet. Shine.
Oh. What are you
Can't
making?
forget about-
You make a taki?
Yeah, we need
Taki
Takis.
sandwich.
Yeah, let's put the bread in the microwave.
Okay.
Be very careful. It's hot. Set for 30 seconds. Now wait. Now we're just gonna wait.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot the knife. Be very careful with these kids.
Okay.
You might stab yourself and you'll be like,
You can use your smaller one knife, right?
that's a butter knife. It's
Okay.
used for spreading butter.
Okay. You
This
can
is
use
my
it.
small knife.
Oh, it's a small knife?
Yeah.
What about your bread?
Wait, can you please move?
Okay.
Just the right thing. It can burn your hands. Yeah. I don't think I need to cut these, but just one.
No.
I don't like the crust, so. And now then, gonna add the Takis.
This is Taki's beef.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I think we need this much. Each chip gets two on them. We need 2 more to make this extra spicy. Oh, I forgot another ingredient.
You love spicy thing?
I like spicy. I don't like it too much.
Okay.
We forgot this. We gotta add this. Oh, sorry, be right back. Yes, we got this. Now we gotta add the spicy powder. Now we got to crunch this up. Now it's good. Oh, I forgot the lettuce. This much lettuce?
Okay. Oh, wow.
It's lettuce on each thing.
Mm-hmm.
Now we gotta close it.
Okay.
Bon appetit. We need to grab this tool and be really careful. We don't want it to spill and be all crummy. Now my sandwich is ready. Oops, I forgot the drink. We gotta tidy up before we go.
Mm-hmm. Wow. You clean everything?
Yeah. This is how it's just supposed to go. And these are supposed to go in the garbage. I can't forget about the knife. Oh no, I forgot some. I forgot a bit of it. Now this plate is clean. Gotta place it over here. And be careful with your knife.
Okay.
This is where you found it. And then place this where you also found it. If you don't have one of those, then skip that step or skip where you have to pick up this. Oh, we forgot the drink. Let's put it right here. We got the drink. This is the drink I like. It tastes so good. It's fruit punch,
Oh.
which has many fruits. I have a joke for you.
What?
Hi, do you want fruit punch? Here's the fruit, and here's the punch. That's a joke I learned from the internet. In my videos, I use a game called Roblox. Good, now let's try the sandwich.
Oh, that you made by Bhavya.
I hope it's good. It's good. If you want to follow our recipe, it's in the video. And have a fantastic spicy day. Get it?
Yeah?
Why? And if this frogs, you can put this on top of it to make it more spicy on top. And if it's too spicy, just do this. Here, try some. It's my lunch snack time. Bye, I have to eat. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more cooking recipes and awesome content or videos.
Bye.
Bye.